Hi, I'm Captain Chris. I'd like to introduce you to an oil changing system. If you've got a system installed on your boat, you can save tons of money every time you need to change your oil. This system is our demonstrator in our classroom, but you can have it hooked up to your main engine, your transmission, and your generator engine. And if it's hooked up with these tubes to each of those products, you can actually drain the oil out, and then when it's empty, fill the oil back up and turn that off, saving a lot of time for having to hire a mechanic and wait for the mechanic to arrive. The other thing to think about is your oil filter. So with an oil filter, you'll need a filter wrench, which is a very simple band wrench, and you can unscrew the oil filter, fill up the brand new one, and screw it back on, and then you'll be brand new, ready to go for another interval or time of using your oil in the engine before you have to change it again. If you've got any questions, ask Captain Chris. And in fact, for the first week of 2024, Happy New Year, we're offering a free 15-minute consulting. All you have to do is call us on this number, and we'll see what we can do to help you get the new year started right.